Smart home gadgets are everywhere today, but most of them are built for convenience. These 6 are different. Instead of turning lights on with your phone or showing you who's at the front door, these devices are designed to protect your home, monitor your environment, and alert you before a small problem becomes a serious emergency. Let's open the box, test every device, explain how each one works, and most importantly, look at where each gadget actually belongs inside your home. Gadget 1. Wi-Fi temperature and humidity sensor. Let's begin with the simplest device in the collection, the Wi-Fi temperature and humidity sensor. Inside the box, you'll find the sensor itself, mounting accessories, and a user manual. The design is compact, lightweight, and small enough to place on a shelf or mount on a wall without attracting attention. Unlike Zigbee sensors, this one connects direct to Wi-Fi network. That means there's no gateway required. Once paired with the Tuya Smart app, it begins reporting temperature and humidity almost instantly, while humidity readings usually remain within please 3 to 5%. Imagine placing one in a baby's room. Instead of guessing whether the room feels too hot or too dry, you can check the exact conditions from anywhere. Greenhouse, server room, storage room, or even a bedroom. Because it runs over Wi-Fi, updates appear almost immediately in the app. Next comes one of the most important devices in the entire lineup, the combustible gas detector. This isn't about convenience. It's about preventing disasters. Designed to detect natural gas, methane, and LPG, the detector continuously monitors the air for dangerous gas concentrations. Most detectors in this category trigger an alarm at roughly 6 to 8% of the lower explosive limit, LEL, while producing an audible alarm around 70 to 85 decibels. Because it's connected through Wi-Fi, alerts don't stop at the device itself. If you're away from home, the Tuya app immediately sends a notification to your smartphone. Installation is critical. Natural gas is lighter than air, so the detector should be installed near the ceiling. LPG is heavier than air, meaning it should be mounted closer to the floor. Installing it incorrectly dramatically reduces its effectiveness. Since this detector operates continuously, it uses constant AC power rather than batteries, ensuring uninterrupted monitoring 24 hours a day. It's one of those smart gadgets you hope never has to save your home. But if it ever does, it could prevent a fire long before you smell the leak yourself. Gadget 3. Zigbee door and window sensor. The third gadget switches wireless technologies completely. Instead of Wi-Fi, this door and window sensor uses Zigbee. The sensor consists of 2 pieces, a magnetic strip and the main sensor body. When the door or window opens, the magnetic connection breaks, instantly sending a notification through the Zigbee network. Why Zigbee? Power efficiency. Wi-Fi constantly communicates with your router, consuming much more battery. Zigbee devices stay asleep most of the time and only wake when necessary. That allows battery life to stretch from months to nearly 2 years using small batteries. Use cases are surprisingly versatile. Mount one on your main entrance to know exactly when someone enters. Install another on a child's bedroom door. Use one on windows while traveling. Even cabinets containing valuables or important documents can be monitored. Every opening event appears instantly inside the Tuya app, allowing you to build automations like turning on lights or triggering alarms whenever a door opens. Gadget 4. ZCZ1. Zigbee Gateway. Every Zigbee smart home needs one device that quietly does all the hard work. That's the ZCZ1 multifunction Zigbee gateway. Think of it as a translator. Your Zigbee devices don't communicate directly with your Wi-Fi router. Instead, they send data to this gateway. The gateway then forwards everything through your home's Wi-Fi network into the Tuya Smart platform. Without it, Zigbee sensors simply cannot communicate with your phone. Gateways in this category typically support well over 100 Zigbee devices, making them ideal even if you plan to expand your smart home over time. Setup is straightforward. Simply connect the gateway to USB power, pair it inside the app, then begin adding Zigbee sensors one by one. One important limitation is that it requires continuous power. If the gateway loses electricity, connected Zigbee devices temporarily lose communication until power returns. Gadget 5. Wireless smoke alarm. The fifth gadget focuses on another major household risk, fire. This wireless smoke alarm uses a photoelectric sensor designed to detect smoke particles produced during slow, smoldering fires. Compared to older technologies, Photoelectric sensors generally respond faster to smoke before flames become widespread. Powered by standard LAA batteries, the alarm produces around 80 decibels of sound, loud enough to wake most people during the night. Coverage is typically around 20 to 30 square meters, meaning each bedroom or major room should ideally have its own detector. You'll also receive smartphone notifications wherever you are or traveling overseas. You'll know immediately if smoke is detected inside your home. Gadget 6. Wireless Smart SOS Button. The final gadget may look the simplest, but for many families, it could become the most valuable. Inside the box, you'll find the wireless emergency button, strong 3M mounting adhesive, and a quick start guide. Its minimalist design hides a very important purpose. One press, that's all it takes. After pairing it with the Tuya Smart app, pressing the button instantly sends emergency notifications to every family member you've shared access with. No complicated menus, no phone calls. Installation takes only seconds. Sometimes, the fastest emergency response begins with the simplest button. Together, they create something much more powerful. Wi-Fi handles devices that need constant power and instant cloud connectivity, protecting your family, your property, and your peace of mind. If you enjoyed this review and want more professional smart home, networking, and technology content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.